Most partnerships spend years fixing their major suit raises, and then guess in the minors. Inverted minors flips one thing, and suddenly you can preempt with weak hands and investigate 3 no trump with real hands. Today, we'll make it usable. The 2 raises, the follow-ups that let you reach 3 no trump safely or stop in the minor, common interference agreements, and a quick minor wood primer for minor suit slams. Before we begin, a quick note on where this thinking comes from. Inverted minors reflects a Kaplan-Scheinwald principle. Spend bidding space with weak hands, not with strong hands. When you're weak with long support, you want to take away room from the opponents, so the jump raise helps. When you're stronger with a fit, you want space to check stoppers and choose between 3 no trump, 5 of the minor, or even slam. That's why Kaplan argued that a cheap, weak minor raise is exactly backwards. Weak hands should jump to preempt, and stronger hands should stay low to explore. Before we assign meanings, we need 4 partnership agreements. First, can opener have a short minor, especially 1 club? If 1 club might be only 2 or 3, you must be stricter about raising. Many methods require 5-card support for a direct raise. Second, do we promise no 4-card major when we raise? Many partnerships do. Some allow exceptions, but you must agree. Third, do we keep inverted minors on when opponents interfere, or do we switch to competitive methods? Both exist. Fourth, after the strong raise, how do we continue? The cleanest mainstream approach is show stoppers up the line for no trump. Core meanings. 1 minor, 2 of that minor, is the strong raise. It's forcing for 1 round and shows invitational or better values, often around 10+ high card points, though many play it lighter with extra trump length. 1 minor, 3 of that minor, is preemptive. Weak, long support designed to make life hard for the opponents. If your system opens minors on 3-card suits, raising on 4 can be dangerous. Many references recommend 5-card support for a raise when opener might be short. Some approaches treat 1 diamond as usually 4+ and 1 club as sometimes 3, so the minimum trump differs by suit. Agree this clearly. After the strong raise, we explore 3 no trump by showing stoppers up the line. If we can stop the side suits, 3 no trump is often best. If not, we stop safely in the minor, or, with extra strength, we push toward 5 of the minor or slam. Example. After 1 club, 2 clubs, forcing, opener shows a diamond stopper, then a heart stopper, and once stoppers are accounted for, we land in 3 no trump. The exact step bids depend on your structure, but the teaching point is stoppers are shown in order, and we only commit to no trump when the picture is safe. Second example. We show what we can stop, but when a key suit remains unstopped, we stop in 3 of the minor. This is exactly why the strong raise stays low. You get 1 more round to diagnose the no trump picture instead of guessing. Kaplan's argument is brutally practical. With the stronger hand, you need that extra round so partner doesn't have to guess 3 no trump. The forcing raise keeps you low, so you can clarify whether 3 no trump is right, whether you should settle in the minor, or whether a slam might be in play. Point range. Ranges are not one size fits all. A common teaching guideline is this. 2 of the minor shows good raise values and forces 1 round. 3 of the minor shows a weak raise, often in the 0 to 6 neighborhood. But many partnerships shade these based on vulnerability and trump length. So don't memorize a number. Memorize the purpose. 2 of the minor buys room to investigate. 3 of the minor steals room from the opponents. Passed hand situations. As a passed hand, some partnerships keep life simple and turn inverted minors off. Your maximum strength is capped, and the constructive paths often change. Other partnerships keep it on, but with adjusted ranges. There is no universal law. What matters is that your partnership knows which world it lives in. Now, the real table. Interference. After one minor is doubled, many modern methods use 2 no-trump to show good raise values with support. Think roughly 10+ high card points, depending on style. Then your simple raise and jump raise can be used for weaker hands. Some partnerships also use Jordan-style ideas here. Same concept, show the good raise immediately and keep the weak raises available. After a one-level major overcall, a very common expert-style agreement is this. Q-bid their suit to show good raise values, inviting game or better with support. And direct raises become more competitive. Again, the goal is to locate the strong raise without giving the opponents a free ride. One warning. In competition, 2 schools exist. Some partnerships abandon inverted minors and revert to more traditional competitive raises, especially because space is already gone. Other partnerships keep the inverted logic on because simple bridge is good bridge. But you must be very clear about meanings under pressure. Minor suit keycard or minor wood. One more tool. Because when inverted minors finds a big minor suit fit, you still need a way to ask for keycards without consuming the whole auction. That's where minor wood comes in. In the common version, once a minor is agreed, 4 of that minor is the keycard ask. It's the same spirit as Roman keycard, but at a lower level because you're in a minor. The responses are step-based. In a common 1430 structure, first step shows 1 or 4 keycards, next step shows 0 or 3, then 2 without the trump queen, then 2 with the trump queen. After that, your partnership may continue with specific asks for kings if you play them. The key idea is simple. When slam is in the picture in a minor, minor wood keeps you below 5 no trump and preserves room to sign off if you're missing too much. Let's summarize. Inverted minors is a framework, not one rigid chart. You must lock your opening style, your major suit policy, your continuation after the strong raise, and your rules when opponents interfere. This video focused on a table-ready mainstream approach. Showstoppers up the line and keep the strong raise low so you can choose between 3 no trump, the minor, or a slam path. Next up is the practice video for this exact method, so you can drill the auctions until they're automatic. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And leave a comment with what convention you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in the practice video.